Hey, what's up everyone? Hope everyone's doing alright. So I haven't run the JLB Cheetah in a while now, but yeah, it was a good day today. I'm on my lunch break, and what better way to use your lunch break than to run the RC car, right? So yeah, here goes nothing. There's a lot of like clicking noise because I've already replaced the front diff like 3 times already, and on the 3rd time I decided to just rebuild it, and it works, but there's like clicking noise, so that's that. And it still runs, but it's a lot of clicking noise. It's pretty hot today. It's like 85 degrees, so hopefully it don't overheat on me, which I'm pretty sure it will, because this thing has been overheating a lot. Hopefully I can upgrade the ESC later in the future. But for now, it still works, it still runs. Yeah, I love the JLB Cheetah. This thing does wheelies on demand. Especially when you pair it up with some 3.8 Badland tires. This thing is awesome. Wow! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh yes! Yeah, you guys who run RC cars, you know what it's like when it flips over. You gotta walk over there. Let's fix the body real quick. I lost a lot of body pins already. And I've been reusing the one from the Maximus, so every time I switch RC cars, I switch the body pin. It gets annoying sometimes, but hey, it works. Sometimes you just gotta get by. I was even thinking of using paperclip. That'd be funny. Oh, it overheated. Ah, gonna have to go get it. Alright, so usually when it overheats, I just simply reset it. So all I do is I turn it off and I wait for like a minute, and then turn it back on and start bashing some more. I think it's been a minute now. I know it seemed pretty fast because I just started recording, but yeah, it's been a minute now. Oh yeah, back in action. Nice. Nice again. Oh, wheelie time. No! No, no! Oh, I have to go pick it up. So that little dirt over there is actually caused by a bunch of groundhogs. So there's a lot of groundhogs here. They're always digging holes and they're always making dirt piles like that, which is freaking awesome because you can just use it to launch your RC car. overheated again. Oh. This 80 amp ESC is always overheating. I think it's normal because like I've ran this truck so hard for so long already. Packs after packs after packs. I think the ESC is starting to burn out. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this off and then reset it again. Alright, just done resetting. Now, yep, back in action. And try not to punch it so hard this time because it's always overheating. It's starting to get annoying. So I'm only doing like half throttle now. Whew. Woo. Man, kicking up dust. So fun. I don't know if the camera is picking up the sound of the clicking noise, but yeah, this thing is clicking. It's always the front diff that's going out on this car. I even try running without the front diff, just the back, making it rear wheel drive. This thing is a beast still, even though it's just back wheel drive. Yeah, I thought I'd put it out there for you guys. Oh, it overheated again. That's it, I'm calling it quits. Plus, I'm on my lunch break, so yeah. Thanks for viewing, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, next time I'll try to replace the ESC and do a better run for you guys. Alright?